Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala Masti. So today we will be talking about that how do the igloos keep the insides warm. So as you know, igloo is made up of ice and snow. So ice and snow are already cold. So how do they keep us warm in the igloo? So today we will be talking about that only. So let us start. So first we will clear the confusion between ice and snow. So what is ice? So ice is frozen water which you freeze it in your freezer. So when you freeze water, then you get ice. But snow is something different. It is many times it is confused with ice and snow. But today I will be telling you the difference. So snow is not water; it's water vapor. So when water vapor freezes, like when the snowfall occurs, so that is snow. That is not ice. That is snow. So the igloo is made up of snow, not ice. Ice is frozen water, but snow is frozen water vapor. So, as you know that when the snow forms, so there is a water molecule or the water vapor. It goes to a condensation nuclei, which means the dust particle. It sticks to the dust and it also takes some air particles with it. So like in the ice, they have no air particles. But in snow, air particles are also trapped within the ice or the snow. So uh, the air particles play a big role in the warm keeping thing. So when you make the bricks out of the snow on the ground and then you build an igloo, so the heat inside the igloo cannot get out because as you know, air is an insulator. So the when the air is trapped within the snow, it becomes an insulator and it doesn't allow heat to get through it. So that is why an igloo keeps us warm. But there's also one question that we cannot put fire inside the igloo because it will melt. So where is the heat source? Because there is so much cold out there. So where is the heat source anyway? Because we need certain heat so that it cannot go out. But if there is no heat only, then what will go out? So we need a heat source for it. So the heat source is us only. So what happens is that when we are walking in cold, so the heat escapes out of the body. It's not like the cold is entering our body. The heat is escaping our body. So we are the heat source. So when the heat is escaping our body, it stays within the igloo because I told you it is an insulator. So it stays within an igloo. But there's one more problem that is there. So as you know, the hot air, because it is being heated because of our body heat, so it will rise up. So you can't stay on the ground. Because of convection, it will rise up and cold air will come down. So the bottom will be cold, but when the igloos are built, then they become they build up a platform like thing. Like this is an igloo, so they make a platform like thing, and then they sleep or sit in there. So that's why because the heat is above, so if they will sit at a higher altitude, so they will get more heat. So please like and share this video and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.